We traveled 13 hours from IIT Kanpur, carrying ropes, climbing gear, and almost no sleep, just to climb the rocks in the middle of the mountains. And honestly, I don't know, this trip would become one of my best memories. 22nd May, 4:30 am in the morning. The whole IIT Kanpur campus was sleeping, but my trip had already started. I didn't sleep the whole night, maybe because I slept in the evening, or maybe because I was too excited for the trip. I was carrying two bags, one for my clothes and another full of climbing equipment. Everything was tightly packed because for mountain trip, less luggage means less pain. The bus was late by almost 1 hour. Security at IIT gate was not allowing the minibus inside without permission. At 5:30 am, finally the bus has arrived, and I was the first person to get picked up. Slowly, we picked up everyone from different places, and finally, the journey to Nainital started. Around 4:30 am, we stopped for breakfast. Simple paratha, hot tea, sleepy faces, and mountain stories from Sar to entertain us. Even small moments feel special during the long journeys. At 2:30 pm, we stopped again for lunch. Everyone ordered veg food, but me and Sar decided to go for chicken curry with rumali roti. And honestly, after so many hours of traveling, that food tasted amazing. After lunch, the landscape slowly started changing. The roads became sharper, colder, greener, and suddenly mountains were everywhere. I have seen mountains before, but this felt massive. The pine trees looked endless, and the cloud felt so close, like we could almost touch them. Finally, we reached Nainital. Our minibus was not allowed inside the city, so we parked near the toll gate and started walking. One thing I noticed immediately, there are almost no flat roads here. Every road feels like leg day. When I see these buildings in Nainital, I felt they are living in peace. After almost 13 hours, we finally reached our hostel. We dropped our bags and immediately went outside to explore the city. The streets were crowded, cold wind everywhere, and hot momos in our hands. But most beautiful thing was the city at night. Mountains covered with thousands of tiny house lights. It honestly looked magical. I saw one man playing guitar near the lake road. He was playing beautifully, but nobody stopped. Sometimes beautiful moments stay unnoticed. Walking back to the hostel was hard. The steep roads completely destroyed my legs, but somehow I reached before 10 pm. And the guy sleeping next to me was snoring like a bike engine. But honestly, these uncomfortable moments become the funniest memories later. Next morning, 5:30 am, cold air, mountains in front of us, and finally the real adventure was about to begin. Before climbing, we stopped for breakfast, and this trip had all kind of people: students, professors, employees, and postdocs. Different people, but same love for the adventure. As we walked towards the climbing location, the views kept getting better. Green forest, mountain winds, and giant rock walls waiting for us. He is my rock climbing guide in Nainital. So he is my guide for climbing. I want to show you something. This one. So how many years you take to grow this one?
I don't know. I'm not the count it like how many.
Maybe 5 years.
More than 10.
So since when you started doing rock climbing?
very big.
When you did the first time?
First time climbing is at 2000.
2000. That time I born. Okay. This. Thank you for you.
Everyone slowly started climbing. Some climbed confidently, some struggled. Also, avoid this plant, it gives irritation for free. Finally, my turn. Even with all safety measures, climbing still feels scary. Your hand shakes, your legs search for grip, and your brain keep asking why you are doing this. But somehow I completed the wall. Then I saw this cute girl playing near the climbing wall, and she is showing everyone her cute little rabbit.
नहीं नहीं वो रस्सी नहीं खाएगा ये प्लास्टिक है प्लास्टिक नहीं खाता है वो ले खा लिया
At 2 pm, everyone was hungry, so we went to eat something.
Bro, how is it?
After lunch, everyone started planning for tomorrow. But honestly, at that moment, I was just happy to be there. So I danced around in the mountain. Then we moved towards the another climbing spot. This place felt hidden.
If I never come back, telling my mother I'm sorry. Hey, very nice.
Strong wind, giant rock, and insane views. Now it's my time to climb. Compared to the previous wall, this is quite difficult and longer. But I told myself only two things. Don't be scared even if it gets scarier too. And go confidently. And this time I climbed this wall effortlessly. While walking back, I slipped and fell, not badly, just enough to damage my dignity.
He is the trainer. So, but he is carrying rope, so you can see how much concerned about he is. Oh my god, he's the best. Master, come on.
At night, we went to explore the city and to eat something.
This is mine.
And I went to a local market. I bought a handmade soap as a memory. And I discovered this singing bowl. At first, I used it completely wrong, but when the shop owner showed me, the sound feels strangely peaceful. And finally, I reached my hostel room. Tomorrow, we are going to explore Naina Peak, and honestly, none of us knew how difficult it would become.